India has achieved a historic milestone, becoming the fourth nation after the US, Russia, and China to successfully dock satellites in orbit. ISRO's space docking experiment SpaceX marked this achievement by docking two satellites, Chaser and Target, in a complex maneuver on January 15. This feat is crucial for India's ambitious space plans, including the Bharatiya Antariksh Station BAS by 2035. Lunar sample return missions like Chandrayaan 4 in 2028 and human moon landings. Docking technology is essential for assembling modular space stations and conducting multi-launch missions. Initially planned for January 6, the docking was delayed for additional tests and simulations. The satellites moved from 15 meters to just 3 meters apart before successfully docking. ISRO confirmed the success and is now conducting post-docking checks, including undocking and power transfer tests. This achievement not only advances India's space capabilities but also places it among the global leaders in space exploration.